is a tone test of Aimee and the new pickup in it to FLEOR. Like a dual hot rail humbucker, basically. Hopefully it'll sound good than the last one was in it. So it's like a double cream, the last one. Yeah. More single coil, that one. This is more hot, hopefully. This is like halfway. This is up on full. Now the neck. Middle. So it has lots of tonal opportunities. It's not really heavy per se as like the Seymour Duncan Invader, which I have in my other guitar over here. But sounds pretty good for this one that's gonna be in here. Probably gonna get a new volume pot. It needs to be replaced. There's some crackling and shit. But yeah. And so far. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And hopefully pretty soon there will be a tone test of Matt, the other guitar, the blue one that hasn't been seen for a while. Yeah, so I'm in the process of spraying more clear on it, and then soon I'll buff it, put all the hardware on, and there should be a tone test coming out. It's going to be more of a traditional Strat, not like this. It's just going to have the 3 single coils slanted too. So yeah.